darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, welcome. Stay because we have an exciting episode for this fabulous Monday. We are going to review, demonstrate, and go through Nyma and TANG's collaboration with Dose of Colors. Congratulations, darling. I am so happy for you. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, woo, yes. And Nyma and TANG came out with a lip collection. She came out with two lip collections with a nude and she came out with the red. I have reds up the wahoo. So I thought, let me go with the blacker nudes. This is the package that it came in. Let me just give you a visual. Let me turn it around as a matter of fact so you guys can see. This was the box that it came in. It's got my it's got my moisturizer from my hands all over it. But there you go. Dose of Colors times Nyma and TANG, and it's in the black box. I really wanted to get my hands on the nude, so I bought it right away. And then inside it has meant for you. Lots of love, Nyma. We got some stickers. It says thank you, sunglasses. It's got drinks, you know, most probably her favorite, sweetheart, you know, a heart here, which means like ice cream. I love ice cream too. My hips don't, but I do. Jojo. Then Nyma and TANG, the box. Gorgeous. And then it has all of the details of the lips, which we will go through. And then if I go in a little bit, we have Nyma herself, the nude lip set, Dose of Colors times Nyma and TANG. That is her. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the leather. And then when you turn it around, you have her red lip set. And it's called the Coral Limited Edition Coral Lip Set. Beautiful gold jewelry. Very Vogue. Very fashion editorial. And I guess that she's got the gloss on her lips plus lashes. Beautiful girl. I just love this skin complexion. So beautiful. Nyma and TANG, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And when you turn it, it says nude lip set. So what do we have here? So we have Penny Classic Lipstick. That's a nude. Can't wait to try it out. Then we've got the gloss, and that is called Stay Glossy. Stay Glossy. You can see her signature there. So beautiful. Such wonderful packaging. Then we have Like to See It, and that's a matte chocolate. I'm going to try them all out for you. And then we have Chocolate Chip, and that's the lip pencil. So you know what we should do, guys? I am ready. Let us start with the lip pencil Chocolate Chip. I want to see how this goes on. It's a twist up, my darlings. It's a twist up. It's nice and dark. Nice and dark. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. Dose of Colors had better let this be a staple. Forget limited edition. We need this. We dark girls, we need this. Yes. Chocolate chip. Absolutely. You see, this is what happens when you get a black girl up in there that does makeup and collabs with a brand. Then us sisters out here are safe. We're safe because we know Nyma will do the right thing. Nyma is like us. She's going to come up with something that we can work with. This is chocolate chip. All right, I am so excited. I want to try the Penny lipstick, yeah? And this is the nude lipstick. There you go. Voila. And then when you turn it around, it's got Nyma's name. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see Nyma and Tang. Such a beautiful signature. Oh my God. Dose of colors. You pull off the top. You do the twist up. It has her signature there as well. Really beautiful. Such a classic touch. And then dose of colors here as well. So let us try this lippy. It's called Penny. Shut the front door. Creamy, silky, gorgeous. My new nude. Beautiful. There is nothing to be said about this. Yes, yes. Ooh, yes, yes. I live for it. I'm in instant regret. I should have bought 2. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. 500 over 10. 500 over 10. Hello, Monday. I am feeling sexy with myself. Oh, my God. Oh, I'm looking. Am I inspired? Excuse me. I mean, like totally excuse me. Oh my God, I'm in trouble now. I am in trouble now because I'm panicking. Do they even have, you see, now my face is shiny out of pure panic. Ula, oh God, this is beautiful. I don't have anything like this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is a nude. Dark girl, yeah. Dark girl friendly, dark girl fabulous. I mean, hello. Just make it for us. We will buy it with our coin. Not ours, Ula's coin. If not groceries. Groceries coin. I have the housekeeping money. Adrian won't miss 1 or 2 milks. I tell you. Beautiful. Gorgeous. On to the next, and I don't want to go on to the next. Let me just grab some tissue here and blot out with pain because, there's some makeup that you just don't want to waste, right? This is it. Oh, look at even the detail at the very top. Nyma and Tang. This was very well thought out. This is a sexy lip all the way. Penny, penny, penny. All righty. Let's go in with the gloss. Yes, and this is called Stay Glossy. Stay Glossy. Okay. It smells like coffee. Is this coffee I'm smelling? What am I smelling? Beautiful. Wow. She was so chill. She was so confident because she knew she did this. It's your loss. Take it or leave it. That's it. We're selling full price. Do you want it or not? I'm doing you a favor. You're not going to get these shades again. Beautiful. What does it smell like? Coffee beans? Is it coffee? Beautiful. Ba, 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 ba. And it's not sticky. It's not gummy. Love it. Love it. I don't know what to say. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You know when you see a pretty girl and she's all chocolatey and there's no milk and she's cute and her makeup is right. Sometimes a sister just comes up to her and be like, you know what are you working with? I like what I see. Beautiful. All right, we're going on to the matte. Hello, baby. Da 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 da. And this is Like to See It. Let's try it out. She got the right component. When I say that, I mean the undertones. She got it right. She got it right. I think that she took her time with this. They did take their time with this and said, let's do it right. I have a funny feeling that Nyma had been mixing these kind of shades in her kitchen, trying to get that nude that would look gorgeous for her. And when this opportunity came around, she said, you know what, let me make my shade one time. And she did this not only for herself, but for all of us. This is a matte. It dries down. My favorite. You're going to see me wear this a lot, making my teeth look white. I wasn't ready. I knew it was gorgeous from what I saw, but I did not know it was this gorgeous. This is it's one of those purchases that I'm so thankful I carried through. Gorgeous. Simple, beautiful, muted makeup. You know, I'm going to do some tutorials for you where you can go for your Zoom meetings and look gorgeous. I'm telling you right now, the Nyma TANG limited edition collection is going to be it. All right, so let's look at the back of the box so that I can read some stuff off for you. As we can see, it is vegan, it is cruelty-free, it is gluten, and it has the shelf life of all of them. Let me just bring out my binoculars. Magnifying glass. 12 months shelf life. You have Penny, which is the lipstick, again, like I said, absolutely beautiful. You have Egen, this is Egen, Stay Glossy. Then you have the matte, which is called Like to See It, and that's the liquid matte, which I still have on. And then you have the chocolate chip lip pencil. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Love this. It is F.D.V approved. It is F.D.V approved. It is F.D.V approved. And let me go to Dose of Colors. Let me go to their website and just see what else they might say. I'm on their site, Nyma TANG Dose of Colors. Shop now. The chocolate nude retails for $49, as well as the coral lip set also retails for $49. And it says made for everyone every day. I created sets with shades that you truly can't find anywhere else with Dose of Colors. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. She looks so pretty. And the little videos, and I'll put that in also for you guys to see. She's having fun, she's smiling. It's your time, mama. Enjoy it. I always feel so proud and so happy when women of color get that platform to do stuff like this for all of us, because we all win. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. Leave all of your comments down below. Like, share, and I will see you when? I'll see you tomorrow, my darlings. Sending you lots of love and positivity. Mwah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous.